Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we will be doing a deep dive into Apple stock, covering both recent news and technical analysis of the charts. Starting with the daily chart, we can observe a recent price decline, breaking below a key support level around 195. This could indicate a bearish sentiment in the short term. However, let's consider the broader context. The recent downgrade to sell by some analysts, citing concerns over China, Google competition, and consumer AI demand, might be partially responsible for the drop. We should examine the hourly chart to look at the recent sell-off in more detail. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can zoom in on the last few days of trading. The price action shows increased volatility and several bearish candlestick patterns, suggesting further declines could be on the horizon. The recent sell-off was fairly abrupt, so traders should be cautious. Notice how the price repeatedly tested the 242 to 243 range, indicating potential support. A break below this region could signal more significant downside, leading to further price drops towards 235 to 240 range. Let's investigate the 15-minute chart to analyze the market's intraday reaction to the news and see if short-term support and resistance levels can be identified. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see a lot of back-and-forth activity around the 242 level, representing strong intraday resistance and potential support. This confirms the significance of the 242 to 243 support region on the 1-hour chart. If the price manages to stay above this level in the near term, a bullish reversal could be possible, potentially pushing the price back towards the 245 to 248 region in the short term. However, breaking below 242 to 243 levels could confirm the bearish sentiment and possibly lead to further price drops towards lower support levels. In the long term, however, the overall trend appears to be upward. Thus, while this short-term sell-off is bearish, the long-term outlook may be bullish if the negative news is temporary. In summary, several key price levels have been identified. The 242 to 243 range acts as crucial support for Apple. A break above 245 to 248 could signify a short-term bullish reversal, while falling below 242 to 243 might indicate further declines towards 235 to 240. The likelihood of these scenarios depends heavily on whether the market digests the recent negative news surrounding China, consumer AI, and Google's competitive offerings. Positive news, such as strong earnings reports, could support a quicker return to bullish price movements. Keep an eye on any news concerning these factors as well as broader market trends. Significant economic shifts or changes in investor sentiment could either reinforce or counteract the predicted price movements. Therefore, traders should always practice risk management.